Hi there, I am back with another Madhubani border tutorial, and this one is gonna be a series. Today we are going to draw the first border, which involves starting with diamonds and adding different patterns to it to fill up the diamonds. This pattern took me around 20 minutes. I hope it takes you a little bit less time. We start with a set of diamonds and add another layer of diamonds because this is Madhubani and everything has to have another layer. I keep a little bit of space and then add the next layer of diamonds, which will be now filled with a couple of more designs. Because we added a border to the bigger diamond, we'll also add a border to this diamond and fill up the remaining space with simple vertical lines. Once the vertical lines have been filled up, please make sure not to lose yourself while you draw these and don't make any mistakes. Once you have completed that, we will now add semicircles around the point at which the two diamonds meet, and again we'll add a double layer to it in order to fill it up with loops because we are drawing parts of a flower around these semicircles. To finish it up, I am adding the straight line above and below the diamonds, and we will fill up the remaining space again with vertical straight lines. Once again, don't lose yourself while drawing these and try to make straight lines, otherwise this will look very offbeat and any crooked line can easily be identified. Once the drawing has been completed, we'll start by coloring the small diamond within the big diamonds. I have chosen to go with orange, you can go with any other color. Next, we are coloring the semicircles. I have chosen green. You can choose any other color. Try to stick to natural colors. You can also switch between green and orange. The diamonds can be green and the semicircles can be orange, or you can choose entirely two different colors. The loops are being filled with blue color. Once again, you're free to choose any other color.
If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Do also check out our social handles and follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook. Remember to check our website and our Discord server and follow us there for more updates.